Hi friends, good evening. This video is exclusively for second year BSc Math students. In this, we are going to see about half range sine series and half range cosine series. Half range sine series in the interval 0, pi is f of x is equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where bn is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. This is the formula for half range sine series in the interval 0, pi. That is very important. Half range cosine series in the interval 0, pi is f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx, where a naught is equal to, so here we have two constants a naught and an, so where a naught is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx and an is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. These two formulas are for the interval 0, pi. Next, for arbitrary interval, half range sine series in the interval 0, l is given by f of x is equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by l, where bn is equal to 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x sin n pi x by l dx. Half range cosine series in the interval, so this is sine series and this is cosine series, 0, l is given by f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l, where a0 is equal to 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x dx and an is equal to 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x cos n pi x by l into dx. Now we can solve a problem based on half range sine and cosine series for the function f of x is equal to x 0 less than x less than pi by 2 pi minus x pi by 2 less than x less than pi. So now we have to find both half range sine and cosine series. So first I have solved for half range cosine series. First we have to write the formula f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. Now a0, I have written the formula for a0. a0 is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. Now here we have to listen one thing carefully. The function f of x is equal to x pi minus x, 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi. So for this limit 0 to pi, we have here 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 to pi. So we have to split this into two integration, 2 by pi integral 0 to pi by 2. So in the interval 0 to pi by 2, the function is x. So here I have written x dx plus integral pi by 2 to pi. So for the limit pi by 2 to pi, the function is pi minus x dx. So this is equal to 2 by pi. First we have to integrate this. Integration of x is x square by 2 between the limit 0 to pi by 2 plus integration of this term. So pi into dx, pi x minus integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits pi by 2 to pi. Which is equal to 2 by pi. Now here we have to listen very carefully. X square divided by 2. So x square divided by 2, the upper limit is pi by 2. So we will be getting, instead of x, you should replace pi by 2. So you will be getting pi square divided by 4 divided by 2. So you will get pi square by 8 for the upper limit. So pi square divided by 8 minus lower limit is 0 plus, now second integration, here it is pi x minus x square by 2. Upper limit is pi. So pi into pi is pi square minus x square. Instead of x, it is pi. So pi square by 2. So pi square minus pi square by 2 minus, we have minus for lower limit. So minus, what is the lower limit? Pi by 2. So pi into pi by 2, we will get pi square by 2 minus pi square by 2. Instead of x you have to submit pi by 2. So pi square divided by 4 divided by 2. So you will get here pi square minus pi square by 2 minus pi square by 2 plus pi square by 8. So which is equal to 2 by pi. So after the simplification, here pi square minus pi square by 2 minus pi square by 2 will be getting cancelled. So this is pi square by 8 plus pi square by 8. So 2 times pi square by 8. So after simplifying, you will be getting pi by 2. Next, an. Formula for an is 2 by pi interval 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. So once again, f of x in 0 to pi by 2, f of x is x, and in pi by 2 to pi, f of x is pi minus x. So I have written it as two integrals. Now we are going to use Bernoulli's formula to integrate these both integrations. So what is Bernoulli's formula? Bernoulli's formula is integral u v dx is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus etc., where these dashes denote differentiation and v1, v2, v3 denotes integration. So now looking into the first integration, x into, so integral uv dx. First I am going to apply this for the first integration. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 x cos nx dx. X cos nx dx equal to, so now u is equal to x, u dash is equal to 1, u double dash is equal to 0. That is differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 1 is 0. Now v, our v is cos nx. So v1, integration of cos nx is sin nx divided by n. So the formula is u v1 minus u dash v2. So u dash is 1. So we have to find v2. So integration of sin nx is minus cos nx divided by n square. Now I have substituted these things in here. So 2 by pi into x into sin nx by n minus 1 into minus cos nx by n square.